Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to extract tasks from meeting notes using AI. First of all, open your browser and make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Now you can type in the prompt over here. First, I will create a meeting summary in which I will mention the task as well, but in a very generic way. Right? A meeting summary between a client and the team which has discussed SEO opportunities for his business in beauty industry and hit enter. Over here ChatGPT will create a summary which is a hypothetical conversation between a client and a team for SEO. Once it has created this, now you can write the prompt, write task from the above mentioned conversation that needs to be done next after the project meeting is completed, and hit enter. Now what ChatGPT will do, he will analyze the previous conversation between the client and the team and create tasks for it. Here you can see the post-meeting task list. From the client side task, he or she has to provide the access to the credentials, share business information, review and approve proposal. Here is the team task, deliver SEO proposal, conduct in-depth technical audit, develop key strategies and other things as well. Thank you so much for watching the video.